a small cute bracelet by the chain. I'm going to do it by the chain. Small cute bracelet. Let's see. Do a ring tutorial of this design. Yes, this design. Last time we used the round beads making. I've planned to make a ring tutorial. Long time ago. We are going to make here. Then here I going to use this screen bracelet to check here. I love this chain so much. It's so like the bohemian design look here. Okay. Yes. We just making here, dear Daniel. Are you going to do a ring tutorial of this design? Here. This I want to make as a anklet. Here. This. Okay. This one I think no need the other things. Just cut it the chain for the bracelet and for the clasp for bracelet directory. It's no need any other beads attached. By itself, it's already very nice. Close. Hang the clasp. Here. Okay, here. This. Yeah. This chain is a new chain last week.